Are you aware of the top natural remedies in the Philippines? For centuries, these natural remedies have been a cornerstone of health and wellness in the Philippines. From ancient healers to modern households, these remedies have stood the test of time, offering benefits that span generations. Today they continue to be popular not just in the Philippines but globally, as more and more people seek out natural and holistic ways to maintain good health. Let's dive into the countdown of the top 8 natural remedies you can find in the Philippines. Kicking off our list at number 8 is Calamansi. This small, round citrus fruit, hailing from the Philippines, is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It's a key player in boosting the immune system, aiding digestion, and promoting a glowing complexion. Calamansi juice is a popular refreshment, and its zest and juice often find their way into Filipino cooking. The fruit's versatility and health benefits have made it a beloved staple in many a Filipino household. Now let's move on to number 7. At number 7, we have Babar leaves. A cherished natural remedy in the Philippines, Babar leaves are known for their unique benefits. They're packed with potent antioxidants and essential nutrients, making them a powerful ally for boosting overall health. Traditionally, they have been used to treat common colds, improve digestion, and even as a natural skincare solution. Indeed, the versatility of Babar leaves highlights why they're so valued in this tropical country. Next up at number 6. Coming in at number 6 is bitter melon. This unusual fruit is a powerhouse of health benefits. Known locally as ampalaya, it's widely used in Filipino cuisine and traditional medicine. Bitter melon is said to aid digestion, improve skin health, and even help control blood sugar levels, making it popular among those managing diabetes. Its bitter taste may not be for everyone, but the health benefits it offers are simply too good to pass up. Halfway through our list, let's see what's at number 5. At the halfway mark, we have Moringa at number 5. Often referred to as the miracle tree, Moringa is a powerhouse of nutritional value, packing a punch with its high levels of vitamins, minerals, and proteins. No part of this plant goes to waste. The leaves, seeds, and even the bark are all used for their medicinal properties. Moringa leaves are a staple in many Filipino homes, not just for their taste but for their incredible health benefits. They're known to boost the immune system, improve digestion, and even enhance mental clarity. The seeds? They're used as a natural water purifier. And the bark? It's utilized in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Why is Moringa so popular? Well, it's all about accessibility and versatility. This plant can thrive in diverse climates, making it readily available in many parts of the Philippines. And with its myriad uses, it's no wonder Moringa has become a household name in natural remedies. Moving on to the 4th spot. Number 4 on our list is Towa. This powerful plant, native to the Philippines, is celebrated for its remarkable healing properties. Towa leaves are often used in teas and poultices to aid digestion and alleviate muscle pain. This humble plant is a staple in many Filipino homes, not just for its medicinal benefits but also for its soothing aroma. Its popularity as a natural remedy is well-deserved, given its myriad of uses and healing qualities. Now onto our top 3. Entering the top 3, we have guava leaves. Now these aren't your ordinary leaves. In the Philippines, guava leaves are a cherished remedy, renowned for their remarkable health benefits. What's so special, you ask? Well, for starters, these leaves are a powerhouse of antioxidants, playing a vital role in warding off free radicals and keeping your body in tip-top shape. Chock full of anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, they're a go-to solution for a myriad of skin issues. From acne to wounds, guava leaves have got you covered, but the benefits don't stop there. Suffering from a nasty cough or cold? Brew a comforting cup of guava leaf tea. It's not just soothing, it's a natural way to boost your immunity too. And let's not forget the role they play in dental care. With their antibacterial qualities, guava leaves can help keep those pearly whites just that, pearly and white. No wonder they're a sought-after natural remedy in the Philippines. Next up at number 2. Just missing out on the top spot. At number 2, we have sage. This aromatic herb isn't just for seasoning your Thanksgiving turkey. No, sage is a powerhouse of health benefits and medicinal properties that make it a favorite among Filipinos. Known for its distinct flavor and aroma, sage is frequently used in Filipino traditional medicine. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that aid in overall wellness. From treating digestive problems to soothing sore throats, sage is quite the versatile herb. But it doesn't stop there. This aromatic plant also plays a role in cognitive health. Some studies suggest that sage can improve memory and brain function, making it a natural remedy for age-related cognitive decline. So next time you're brewing a cup of tea or cooking up a storm, remember to sprinkle in some sage. Not only will it add a burst of flavor, but it'll also give your health a significant boost. And finally, our #1 natural remedy is, and at the top of our list, we have virgin coconut oil. This golden elixir is a staple in many Filipino homes, not just for its delightful tropical aroma and flavor, but for its remarkable health benefits. It's packed with medium-chain fatty acids, which are easier to digest and convert into energy, promoting a healthy metabolism. But the benefits of virgin coconut oil extend beyond the kitchen. It's a potent moisturizer, used to nourish the skin and hair. It's also a popular choice for oil pulling, a traditional oral hygiene practice that helps remove bacteria and promotes fresh breath. What sets virgin coconut oil apart is its versatility. It's as beneficial in your morning smoothie as it is in your nightly skincare routine. This adaptability, combined with its numerous health benefits, is why virgin coconut oil holds the coveted #1 spot on our list of natural remedies in the Philippines. That concludes our list of the top 8 natural remedies in the Philippines. So there you have it, the top 8 natural remedies in the Philippines. From the tangy Calamansi, the versatile Babar leaves, the potent bitter melon, the nutritious Moringa, the unique Towa, the powerful Guava leaves, the calming sage, to the all-rounder virgin coconut oil. Each has its own unique benefits and uses, offering a natural way to boost health and well-being. Thank you for joining us in this countdown. We hope you've learned something new about the power of natural remedies in the Philippines.